friends, let's learn the ABCs. A, B, C, D, S. Fun! Now for the letter B. Yay, the bread is baking! Look, my chocolate chip cookie! Wow, it's a giant C! Yay, sprinkled! Wow, a pink donut! So yummy! Look, a big D! D is for donut. Now it's E for egg. Crack it in the bowl, whisk it all around. Time to mix it up. Now for some yummy fruits. They float. Let's make a new letter. A sticky, shiny H. Wow, look at this! Yay, so cool! Let's make some jam toast. First, a big scoop of jam. Now spread it all around. Yummy! Time to add the yummy red spread. Wow, look, a glowing kiwi and a big K. So cool! The letter K is cool, but let's try L. Kiwi to lemon. Wow, squeeze for a fresh splash. L is for lemon. Wow, juicy mango pieces. Time to make something yummy. Time for some nuts. N is for nutty mix. Let's mix them all together now. Yummy! Yummy beans. Now for the orange. Look at the sparkles. Let's make a stack of pancakes. Time to flip it high. Perfect landing. Yum! And here's a mini quiche for you. Q is for quiche. Yay! Q is for quick, but now for rice. R glows for rice. Let's stir. Smells great. Wow, a giant strawberry. Let's mix it in. Yummy. Time to stir the rice and tomato. Now, let's slice this big tomato. T for tomato. Yay! Let's turn this U into a V for vanilla. Now to decorate our milkshake. Yay, all done. Wow, look at this V treat. And here's a big watermelon W. Let's make a colorful yogurt bowl, adding yummy fruits and a big letter Y. Yay for yogurt. I have a zucchini and a big bright letter Z. Yay, Z, confetti.